Accu-Tell Multi-Drug Midstream Pro for saliva samples. Test procedure. Remove the test from the sealed pouch. Remove the case and place in the mouth. After the sponge is put into the mouth, the midstream cannot be vertically downward, and the horizontal deviation shall not exceed 45 degrees. Wait for each test strip runs over the control line, C, and takes out test midstream. Then start the timer. For alcohol strip, read the result at 1 to 2 minutes. Compare the color of the reaction pad with the color card to determine the relative saliva alcohol level. Read results at 10 minutes. Do not read results after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results. Negative results. For each drug testing item, one colored line appears in the control region and another colored line appears in the test region. The shade of color in the test line region T will vary, but it should be considered negative whenever there is even a faint line. Positive results. One colored line appears in the control region. No line appears in the test region. Invalid results. Control line fails to appear.